Hello student. Today we start the BSc third year paper 13. BSc third year paper 13 unit number 1 page number 4, that is culture of Sivas. Unit number 1 page number 4, that is culture of Sivas. It's about the classification of Sivas, phylum Chordata, class Pisces, order Persicomophary, family Centromomomedia, genus Letus, and species Calcarea fair. This is the classification of fish. First of all, a little bit introduction of that fish. It is a exotic fish. Exotic fish means those fishes whose native is foreign country, which are introduced in India for the commercial purpose. It is used in India especially for the commercial purpose, and mostly it is found in Australia and other foreign countries. We know about the introduction of fish sea bass. In India, it is popularly known as bhetki in our general talk of our India. Bhetai, bhetki. It is a popular name of our India. That is the sea bass. And it is a special thing of that fish. It is found in, it have the capacity live in estuary water, sea water, and fresh water also. Purpose of breeding or purpose of spawning, it is the other point, but you have the capacity live estuary fish, estuary water, sea water, and fresh water also. The next one, it is a quick growing perch and can grow 90 centimeter or more in natural environment. Maybe 100 centimeters or the possibility of that fish. It prey means feed upon small size live fishes and storage of the natural food. Prey means all insects or fishes which are the live in condition. Then about the culture of sea bass. The culture of Letus calcifer is well developed in some countries as well as in Australia. Already I told that it is an exotic fish and it is well developed in the Australia. It is very demand in the foreign country compared to the India. When pure seed means fish have the three stages, that is spawn, fry, fingerlings. All are the being a seed. When the eggs fertilize, when the egg fertilize, the first steps, that is the spawn. After some time, it is called the fry, and after some time, it is called the fingerlings. All are the stages of seed. Nothing but the seed. Pure seed of this species is also produced in hatcheries through induced breeding. Means the seed production of the sea bass through induced breeding. Induced breeding is nothing but an artificial breeding. Means the ovum is given to the male and female and breeding take place in the, it is called the induced breeding for the particular season. A good number of seed can be produced in a single breeding due to its very high fecundity. It's a very important point. A good number of seed can be produced in a single breeding due to its very high fecundity. Fecundity means number of eggs laid by female fish per gram its body weight. Means depending upon the ovary, depending upon the weight of that fish. The capacity of sea bass of fecundity is very high. It's mentioned this point. It culture in India for commercialized. It is little bit its culture in India, but it is a commercialized for the purpose of other activities. And this is the larva stage, nursery stage, breeding, and sea bass. This is the small structure of how can they grade in 30 days, 1 to 2 months, and all these things. Then about the spawning of sea bass. Sea bass is an annual breeder. Breed can start October and extend up to the March. New point. Generally, fishes breed June, July, August, and first week of September. but it extend up to October and extend up to the March also. This is the specialty of sea bass. Then about the spawn rearing. Already I told the three stages, that is spawn, fry and fingerlings. The point is that about the sea bass, about the calcifer, latest calcifer fish, that is a spawn rearing. How can we rear? How can we develop the spawn? Spawn produced during the period of June to July from nature or hatchery. The point is that nature or hatchery. Nature means naturally found from the sea, and or hatchery means breeding taken by artificial. June to July from nature or hatchery. Nature means naturally found and hatchery means artificial breed. It can reared in concrete tank for about 20 days. In foreign country, it can rear in concrete tank, but in us is a cement tank. Rear means develop 20 days. Salinity and temperature of water are two important factors required to the maintain, especially when rearing is pro and meso larva. This is the stage. You can maintain the salinity and the temperature when the stage of that fish that is spawn pro and meso larva stage. Then this is about the some graph, that is the how can we maintain in 15 days, 30 days and 45 days about the temperature, about the pH, which percent of hydrogen ion, salinity, dissolved oxygen, nitrate, all these things 30 days and 40 days, how can we maintain, how can we rear about the sea bass. Then about the next, that is the fry and fingerlings rearing. Already we saw that is the spawn rearing. The next state fry, next state is the fingerling. Spawn, fry, fingerling. Fry and fingerlings rearing means development. Fry of 15 to 25 mm length are reared, means developed. In small meshed nursery or nursery tank, they reach up to the 50 mm in length. Plankton and powdered fish meal mixed with rice bran are fed to the fry at the rate 2 to 4% of body weight of the stock. What it means that this is the food is given to the fry and fingerlings fishes. Plankton and powdered fish. Powdered fish means you can break up the fish, you can do the powder of fish or dry fish mixed with rice bran. Rice bran is the artificial food and is given to the fry 2 to 4% of body weight. You can stock if it is so and so gram, you can do 2 to 4% of body weight of the stock and the food you can give to the fishes. The point is that plankton and powder fish meal mixed with rice bran are fed to the fry at the rate 2 to 4% of the body weight of the stock. Then the size, dwelling of size 50 mm or above, then shifted to cage or rearing pond. Cage is a culture type of cage or rearing pond for production of fingerlings. It can shift it after the TMM. Stockable size of fingerlings are realized from cage or rearing pond for culture up to the table size fish. Then it can shift it to other place for growing, for development of that stage up to the table size. Last one is the table size. Three sizes: spawn, fry, fingerlings, and last one that is called the table size, means 40 centimeter, 30, 40, 60 centimeter in length. In between, that is called the table size. Then the rearing of bhetki, it's commonly known as in India, that is the bhetki of marketable size, grow up to culture phase varies from 3 to 4 months and 300 to 40 gram and attaining the 700 to 1200 gram. Then size grow out pond ranges 0.1 to survival per hectare. In Taiwan, I already told that is the it's found in foreign country mostly. Pond concrete wall, nothing but the cement wall with soft substrate bottom, water column of 2 m in culture plate, that is 1 HP, and paddle weed aerators per hectare 5% daily water drainable. It's the procedure to culture the Taiwan. Grow Outscage are floating or stationary, square or rectangular, that is size range 20 to 100 cubic meter. Mesh size range from 2 to 8 centimeter based on fish size. This is the culture of sea bass in Taiwan country, and this is given the size of mesh, size of what you call the net. All these things is giving in the this topic. That the last but one, that is Bhetki, that is polyculture. Mean culture can other fish. Stocking Bhetki of size 1 to 2 centimeter. Mesh size, at the time of mesh, we can catch the fishes with the help of that net, and the net have the mesh 0.5 centimeter. When the stocking of Bhetki, that is 5 to 10 centimeter, the mesh size 1. The size of Bhetki, that is 20 to 30 centimeter, that time the mesh size is 2. The size more or less than 25, that is the size of mesh, that is the 4. Tilapia is the best choice of primary crop of polyculture in Thailand and other countries. Tilapia can culture with Bhetki or the sea bass. Tilapia brood stock 5,000 to 1,000 per hectare, introduced in the ratio 1 is to 3, 1 is the male and 3 is the female, or 1 to 2 month. Bhetki grows individually, that is 5 to 10 centimeter, that is 3,000 to 5,000 number of hectare. It means that culture of sea bass is also developed with tilapia fish, and especially it is found in Indonesia, Thailand, and Malaysia also. Mostly foreign country. Okay, thank you.